I'm Stephanie Essen, and this is the Intel Developer Zone Update. We check out transportation robots in this episode, look at how to install Vulkan APIs for Unreal Engine 4, and talk about the Industry 4.0 Summit coming up. Links are provided to learn more. Robots, they're the future, and Intel technology is helping to enable smart transportation robots from Milvus Robotics. They're intended to streamline manufacturing operations and are a cost-effective alternative to autonomous guide vehicles many manufacturers still rely on today. The robots run on the Intel Core i7 processor, contain an Intel NUC, and also use Intel RealSense technology to operate. Read this article to find out how smart transportation robots, like the ones from Milvus, are changing the manufacturing scene. Who knows? Maybe you'll be inspired in your own developments. Next, find out how to install Vulkan APIs for Unreal Engine 4. Vulkan gives greater control over threading and memory management, and more direct access to the GPU than predecessor APIs. This means more versatility for addressing an array of target platforms. For step-by-step instructions, this installation guide will help you start building your UE4 projects with Vulkan APIs. Register for the Industry 4.0 Summit in Manchester from February 28th through March 1st. This two-day summit is dedicated to the future of manufacturing and will have keynotes from industry and government leaders. The summit will also include an open technology forum sponsored by Intel, where you can see presentations from companies who share their experience and knowledge on how to improve manufacturing operations in the digital age. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the links provided and like and subscribe for more Intel Developer Zone updates.